Training Ambassador of the Mayflower. Halloween is amongst us, and we've come up with a new design that will be fun for you to create for your floral departments. And when I think Halloween, I think bats and spiders and all kinds of ghouly things. So today we're going to go with a spider. That is going to entail one of your fun orbs and one black 11-inch balloon filled up. Probably, I think I used 10 pumps with this. And then I've got legs, and these are 160s, and I filled them up almost to capacity, then burped just a little bit. So what you need to do is take your 160s so that all your legs are the same length, and then you just want to twist them in the middle. And then you're going to take the head and just tie it around the legs. Then the legs and the head get attached to the body. And what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the neck of your 11-inch balloon and just wrapping it around the stem of your orb and just tying it in a knot. And the trick here is to keep the neck of the orb, just keep that really close to your head and your legs, so that they're all kind of close to each other, and you have a fair amount of tail left of your orb here. Okay, so once this is achieved, then take your little guy upside down and separate your legs. So spiders have 4 legs, insects have 3, or 8 and 6. And so I'm just going to take these 4 legs and kind of tape them to the base of your balloon. So I've just got some packing tape here. This will keep these legs from flopping all over the place, and it'll give them kind of a little ectoskeleton, so to speak. Just right at the base, so at least so that they're all like flat against your orb. Okay, and your head is also going to need to be taped, and what I'm using for that is balloon bond. And you will just need to have a strip about 2 or 3 inches long. And what I found what looks really good here is to put this balloon bond right on top of the Orbz display here. So the head is kind of centered over this design. Just little small details you might want to take care of. Okay, now that we have the tape stuck to the leg, we don't want that. Now we're just going to shape the leg. So if you ever seen a spider leg lay down, you're just going to want to put a joint and go the same direction. So you just kind of like a long roll. So now you've got one shaped leg. Two. I don't think it in a Z is a good idea, because that doesn't give you a proper leg look. Warm it up a little bit and create that joint. He's coming to life. Okay, this, this, your last guy. So he's almost done, but now he needs eyes. And so what I've done for the eyes, something you'll have in your department, is you're the designer, you can choose the color. I think red is just kind of scary, and that's what we're after. So I'm just taking and pumping just a little tiny bit. We don't want this like huge eye in there. Of course, spiders have 9 or 10 eyes, but we're just going to go with 2. And what I'm doing is I'm tying like 99% of the neck. And I'm just tying that as far down as I can so it'll be nice and round. And then I'm just going to take and snip off the neck. And now I have a couple of eyes. So again, I'm going to use my balloon bond. And we don't need much. So we're going to take it off. And I'm just going to cover this entire inflation valve. And I'll do that twice. Entire inflation valve. Now it's the eye placement time. All right, well, here's your scary spider. This is a fun idea for you to try in your department. It doesn't take very long, and I think it's really fun to create. I hope that this helps you decorate your department this fun holiday season. Thanks again for joining us here at Mayflower.